till he finds his son. I sure hope he makes it. That's one dedicated father, if you ask me.
You rats with wings!
The bloke's been looking for his boy Nemo.
Nemo?
He was taken off the reef by divers, and this...
They're taking you, Harry! Hey, say that again. You just said something about Nemo. What was it?
Mine? Last I heard, he... Hey, Nigel. Will you look at that?
What?
Sun's barely up, and already Gerald's had more than he can handle.
Yeah, reckon somebody ought to help the poor guy.
Right.
Oh, well, don't everybody fly off at once. All right, Gerald, what is it? Fish got your tongue? Love a duck!
I gotta find my son, Nemo!
Nemo? Hey, he's that fish. You know the one we've been talking about, the one that's been fighting the whole ocean. Hey, I know where your son is. Huh? Hey, wait! They're coming back! Stop!
Keep going! He's crazy!
I got something to tell you!
Mine.
Okay, don't make any sudden moves. Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Hop in your mouth, huh? And how does that make me live?
Mine?
Because I can take you to your son.
Yeah, right.
No, I know your son. He's orange. He's got a gimpy fin on one side.
That's Nemo!